Hello everyone! In this video we're going to talk about rhythm, which refers not to what note you play, but how long you hold it for. First we'll start with all the different kinds of notes and rests we'll be working with. Each different note or rest has a different number of beats or counts, which is how long you hold the note for. The tempo of a song determines how fast the beats are going. First we'll start with our notes. A quarter note gets 1 beat, 1. A half note gets 2 beats, 1, hold 2. A dotted half note gets 3 beats, 1, hold 2, hold 3. A whole note gets 4, 1, hold 2, hold 3, hold 4. We also have eighth notes, which only get a half of a beat each. You would need 2 of these little guys to make just 1 beat, so they're pretty fast little notes. When you have 2 or more eighth notes, they're often beamed together to make it look neater to read, but there's really no difference in regard to the way you play it. For our purposes, we'll be looking at our eighth notes in groups of 2, so the total length is 1 beat, 1 and. Now for all our different notes, there are 3 different rests we must look at today. A rest means to be silent for a certain number of beats. It's not too hard to keep them straight, as the names are the same as for our notes. There are quarter rests, which get 1 beat, half rests, which get 2 beats, and whole rests, which get 4 beats. When using notes and rests to write music, we organize our music into little boxes called measures. These measures are separated by bar lines. Just like books use punctuation marks such as commas, periods, and question marks to make the sentences easier to read, measures help our music to be easier to read by making it easier to see which note comes next and by making the beats easier to count. For any piece of music, there will be a set of 2 numbers at the beginning of the staff. The bottom number is 4, which means a quarter note gets 1 beat, as we already learned. The top number, however, tells you how many beats each measure can hold. For example, if this number is 2, then each measure can only hold 2 beats before going on to the next measure. If the top number is 4, then you should have 4 beats in each measure. Let's practice creating measures around a rhythm based on the time signature that's been given. We'll start with an example in 4/4 time, meaning each measure will have 4 beats. The first thing we'll want to do is write lightly above each note or rest how many beats that note or rest will get. Then we'll go back to the beginning and write below exactly what we would count out loud. Now we'll go back through and draw in the bar lines after each set of 4 counts. We can also apply this knowledge to fill in the blank. Take a look at this example in 3/4 time. Each measure is missing a note or rest. Let's fill in the correct answers. First, we'll go through and write over the notes we have how many beats they'll each get. Now we'll add up how many beats there already are in each measure and subtract that number from how many we want it to be, in this case 3 beats. Then we'll pick a note or rest that gets the missing number of beats and ta-da! Each measure is finally full. That's it for this video. Thanks again for watching.